In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Calendar. Printing your calendar can be incredibly handy whether you want a physical copy to jot notes on or to have in front of you for quick reference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. To begin, open up your web browser and head to Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll see various views available, such as day, week, month, and year. For our purpose today, we're going to focus on printing a particular month from your calendar. Click on the year in view to reveal the months available. Choose the specific month you want to print by clicking on it. This will take you directly to that month's view, making sure that all appointments, reminders, and events for that time are visible. Now let's get ready to print. Look towards the top of the screen where you will see a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select the print option. This action will direct you to a new page showing a print preview of the selected month's calendar. It's here that you'll have a chance to tailor your preferences before printing. You'll notice several customization options available on this screen. The first option allows you to choose the view. In most cases, you'll want to keep this set to auto to ensure the layout is optimized for print. Next, you can adjust the font size. This is particularly helpful if you want the text to be more legible on your printed calendar. Click on the font size option and select normal if it's not already set. The orientation setting is just as important. You can find this option slightly lower on the page. Again, auto is generally best, but if you have specific needs, feel free to adjust to either landscape or portrait mode as you see fit. Further down, you'll find the option for color and style. If you'd like to save ink or prefer a more classic look, you can switch the option to black and white. Finally, after setting your preferred options, you're ready for the last step. Double check everything to ensure the calendar will print exactly as you want. Once you're happy with your settings, click on the final print button. Your Google Calendar will be sent to your printer, and soon you'll have a physical copy in your hands. And that's it. You've successfully printed your Google Calendar. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy organizing!